boy. That's that image from the Apollo 12. Wow. Look at that huge electromagnetic vehicle right there. My goodness, and it's almost as big as Earth. As behind is Earth. Look all the structures in space. That's what I was looking at. That's what I wanted to see, that part. See, it's all made cubes. Incredible. That's what the whole solar system is made like that. For somebody that doesn't know what I'm talking about, they shouldn't be even watching this because he's not gonna get it. What? What are you talking about? What are you tripping? Okay, fine. I'm tripping. You don't know a damn thing. Look at the tail of that thing. Right there. You can see it. That. I don't know, the tail, the front, or whatever. This vehicle is enormous. Oh boy. And look exactly like the one shown in the rings of Saturn. I mean, exactly. Except this is right here on Earth, right next to Earth. And that's the right size of Earth from the moon, that right there. This white deal, that's the crescent Earth. Boy, oh boy, look at that. That's what you're talking about. That is enormous. 30,000 miles. Well, judging by the size, the tail, you look at the tail right there. My. But see, that's the trouble part for me, is seeing all these tubes everywhere. It's like that thing is swimming. We are inside a black structure and all these structures are in it. We just don't see it because the structure that covers Earth blocks that. I mean, they're controlling us like puppets. Just look at the size of that thing. Oh my goodness. Appear to have a pair of eyes on the side. I mean, it looks exactly as the one in Saturn. And there was a snake-like craft too, or a structure, whatever. Now I'm thinking that everything is a structure. It's just, it looked like, for us, it looked like a spacecraft flying and whatever. I don't think that's the way the deal really happens. We just been controlled, mind controlled at extreme mind control. You know, to have 7 billion people seeing the same thing at the same time is just amazing. That's some heck of a technology. Look at the top of that craft. Look at the outside the skin. That's what you're looking at. But it's, oh my God, look at all these tubes everywhere. My. I mean, this is sick, man. This is sick. Exactly like the guy in The Moon Is Your Worst Nightmare. when he showed that part of from the moon into space, and he said this is no space. That's when I freaked out. I was like, what? And he was right. That's how I understood this part that we are in an enclosure and these tubes are everywhere. I mean, just look at that. Of course, from far away you don't think it's anything. Tiny little image, because that's what NASA does best. They post this shitty image that you think is, and it's not. Look what's on the surface of the moon. All the structures. Check it out. You have to darken the image to see this. But when you do that, then the dark part in the space, it disappears, it becomes black. I think I went too dark on this one. Right there. That's the moon's surface. Look at that. Wow, there is an object floating right there. Check it out. Look at that spherical thing in the background, right there. I mean, and even they almost destroy this image to get it so blurred where you cannot see a damn thing, but it's still. Once you darken the deal, you start seeing things that look semi-transparent, but they're there. They're there. It's just that they did a heck of deleting the image, blurring it to death and overexposing it to death. Look at that. Oh, I thought that was the cursor. It's not. That's on the image. Look at that enormous structure around one of the holes that we call craters. There's oh my God, that's a reptile. Look, the eyes, look at the front of it. And then there is a head. The front is a head to the side. Not only look like that this way, but it looks like that facing the camera. Look, right eye, left eye. Oh boy, oh boy! Check it out, I'm gonna do a quick. This way, it looks like a reptile, look. Or a fish or something. With a big gaping mouth. Might be a fish, I don't know. But then, check it out, my God, this thing has to be large. Look, right there. Some kind of reptile with the tail goes to the right, to the upper right. Look, right there. The normal picture will look like that. Imagine. I have to make it black and white to be able to see it right. So check this out. That's the eye, bam, bam, with the vertical pupil right there, bam, bam. Then he has a thing right up here. So that thing is viewable from the top and from the side, from any angle. And then look, that's the mouth right there. But there is a structure right in where the mouth ends. There is a structure right here that is like this. And it's part of that thing too. Look, and it has this triangular deal with some black. I mean, it's incredible, my goodness. Look how the tubes comes out. This thing has structures everywhere. On the side, there's another thing right here that is like that. I mean, these people, when they do something, it's not just a simple something, no. It's gonna have every kind of stuff they can put in. Look, there's a tube sticking, and then there is a small, whatever this is, sticking from the side and the bottom, like that. There's something else there, but I cannot see it too well. Remember, I have a 55-inch monitor, very high definition. That's what I'm able to see details that most people can see because they're using a laptop, or with a laptop you're not gonna see a thing. So, look, that was the thing that way. Now this way is another. It's a head this way, and it has the eyes right there, like that. With the pupil. And then it has another eye right here. And you see the lobes, the two lobes of a reptile. And it has a smaller face on one side, as usual, and another face. So this thing has like 1, 2, 3, 4 faces, because each side of the tip of the snout is a face, the small face. And it has this. Oh, because this is a structure that you can see right there is there. They have like a pedestal, or pedestal. I don't know how to say that word exactly. But anyway, this thing is, I mean, there is a lot more stuff going on in this picture than just that. There's 2, 3, there's reptile heads all along. There's another one right here. Look, boom, boom. Now I see what. Another pair of eyes with the same thing, the 2 lobes, a third head right here that makes 2 heads. Look, it's the same as the big one, but this is a smaller and smaller. Look, it has the same configuration. The same thing. And then there is another head right on the. This is amazing, man. And look, it has the same pedestal. Each one of them has the same thing.